So yeah, so one of my goals for this channel, the Fit Pro Foodie fitness channel, is to simplify yoga. I think there's a lot of myths and misunderstandings surrounding the topic of yoga and fitness for that matter. And I really want to bring to you guys a way to practice it using accessible, like, friendly language, you know, that we can all understand, basically. That's it. Okay, so now my tip. All right, so my tip is for your shoulders, shoulder blades. Really important point. This will take you just 2 minutes a day to practice, and it begins with a shoulder shrug. Just shrug up and down, just softening these muscles through here. Just be sure that you're breathing as you're doing this, right? And I want you to take a yoga strap or belt, maybe a stretchy belt or something comparable, maybe even a sash. You're gonna wear it around your neck, like so, and then you're gonna wrap it underneath, both sides underneath the armpit, and then third, you're gonna cross them in the mid-back kind of bra line area. And so you notice there's 3 steps, and then I pull the straps apart. I guess there's 4 steps. Pull the straps apart so that it encourages my shoulders to stay back and down. So I'll just kind of show you through this movement. So that's basically the 1-minute tip. Now I'm going to apply it by keeping that and then bending over, right? So we bend over every day. However, most of us don't do it properly, believe it or not. And also when we're going through the vinyasa flows, you know, bending over and moving up and down several times through our yoga classes, that oftentimes we're bending over with a rounded back. That's so common, especially with newbies to yoga. So this understanding and the application of it is gonna, I promise you, it's gonna help protect your back by a lot. So do this with me. I'm just gonna recap. Scarf, you're gonna wear that scarf around your neck, wrap them both underneath the armpit, cross it in the bra line or heart rate monitor sort of area to the back. And then I'm gonna apply this by softening, rolling the shoulder blades up and down. So rolling shoulders into the spine and down toward the hips. And if you notice, as I'm doing this, I'm lifting my collarbones straight up, okay? Straight up as opposed to out. So that would be bad, this would be ideal. So I'm going up like an elevator, not out like, I don't know what, but, so applying that, and once you have that, okay, so this is the third part, you're gonna bend over. So remembering that the shoulders work with the back to stabilize the spine. Really important part of the core, right? So as I'm bending over, if you look at me from the side view, I keep a soft bend to the knees. Before I bend over, I tip my weight back. I tip my hips back. Yeah, I know, it's okay. I bend the knees. I keep the shoulder blades on the back. And now imagine, I want you guys to imagine you're in yoga class. You're moving up and down, right? So I'm using these blocks here to encourage those shoulders on the back. And that's why also I'm a big proponent of using the blocks, as opposed to this, right? Without blocks. So as I come on up, imagine that bra strap or that yoga strap on the back. Whether I take this shape, or this shape. It doesn't matter. I gotta have the shoulders on the back to be fully and honestly into my core. Okay, so that is the tip of the day that's gonna help protect your low back, protect your spine as you're practicing yoga and as you're bending over every single day. Okay, give it a try and let me know how it goes. See you next time.